When an alkyl halide is treated with base, alkene products are formed through an elimination process. In this case we find that this is a bimolecular process, we'll call it the E2, and Zaitsev rule still applies in that the more highly substituted product will be major. In this reaction, the base attacks the substrate, deprotonating at the beta position, forming a pi bond and losing the leaving group. This all happens in one step, and that step is bimolecular because the base and the substrate are involved. The reaction occurs through a transition state as shown here, and can occur either on the right-hand side or the left-hand side of the molecule because we have two types of beta hydrogen to give us two types of alkene product. Since this reaction only has one step, we will describe the base attacking a beta proton, forming of the pi bond, and losing of the leaving group. All of this happens at once and therefore this process is concerted. And we use the dashed arrow here to describe the fact that we are going up a reaction profile and this is not a unique step in a stepwise pathway. The transition state at the top of this rate determining step shows the formation of an oxygen-hydrogen bond, the breaking of a carbon-hydrogen bond, the formation of the pi bond, and the breaking of the carbon-bromine bond as the bromine leaving group is breaking off. We can see here the motivation for the reaction is for the very unstable negative oxygen to lose its charge and pass it along to bromide to become Br-, which is much more stable. And this overall process results in the formation of the pi bond, in this particular case with deprotonation on the right-hand side, to give the 2-methyl-1-butene, which is the minor product because it is only disubstituted. Alternatively, deprotonation on the left-hand side will produce the major product, in this case 2-methyl-2-butene, which is trisubstituted. The treatment of an alkyl halide with a strong base results in elimination through the E2 mechanism. The advantage of this reaction over the E1 is that any alkyl halide will take part in this reaction, and the reaction does not form carbocations, so we do not get rearrangement reactions.